Bigla, ano? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya. Kaya pa nagalit si Manny. Ito na. Pasok Pirang gets back by that right Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasok Pirang. Sabi nga naman ano nito, Tino. One punch! One punch! Drop down pa sa this round. Ito na naman. Good punch. It's over!
Hello mga kabox. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lamang sa ating channel, pindutin lamang ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos. Ngunit maraming salamat at enjoy sa pananood.
He has won 29 of his last 30 fights. 22 among them were Filipino victims, most of them by knockout. The former Pan-Asia Boxing Association Super Bantamweight Champion, the former WBF Bantamweight Champion, a former IBF International Bantamweight Champion, the reigning IBF Pan-Pacific Super Bantamweight Champion, and now the number 6 ranked IBF Featherweight contender from Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand, Fasang 3K Battery. The former OPBF Flyweight Champion, the former WBC Flyweight Champion, the former WBC International Super Bantamweight Champion, the former IBF Super Bantamweight Champion, the Ring Magazine Featherweight Champion of the World, the People's Featherweight Champion of the World, ranked number 3 Featherweight World Contender by the IBF. From General Santos City in Mindanao, ladies and gentlemen, a hero of our time, the Philippines' national treasure, merciless Manny Pacquiao.
So, neither will have an advantage of being a southpaw sa laban na to. Pareho sila, yes. Pareho silang fighting out of the yung southpaw stance, trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly at sa atin si Manny Pacquiao. Just before this fight, sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking kanan. Bigla, ano? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya. Kaya pa nagalit si Manny. Ito na. And Pasong Pirang gets back by that right Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang. Now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang. Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. So with 125 to go, ito. That's a slip. That's a slip. Trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left, right. Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao, no? That's a setup jab for his left hand. Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh. Well, matibay din ito si Fasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Fasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip. Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yung mawawarning nga si Manny dahil tinulak niya pababa. Beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more. Itong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round number 1. Importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Fasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together. Ito, maagang 30-second warning mga kaibigan sa first round natin. Fasang, hindi niya alam kung saan malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya. A nice right hand. Stick in that time. And then Fasang, ang plano niya is to be able to start unloading mga 4 or 5 rounds kung tatagal yung laban. Ito, nakikita natin ang highlights itong bakbakan na ito. Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against the Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward, sumusugod siya, thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gusto punches ni Manny. That was the first step ruled by Coach rather by itong si Juan Laporte Boxing Gym. He's been involved in boxing for 41 years as a fighter and as a trainer. Okay, ito na. Maganda rin ang depensa ni Fasang. A lot of those punches of Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Fasang. Ito si Fasang now also showing a jab. Tanda niyo sinabi ni nitong si Fasang, si 3K Battery, na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Fasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown.
The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Chino,
be coming soon.
parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yung bukana na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand, which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Tirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Fasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh. Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman
Sa dami ng suntok. Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa akin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jump with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing it.
He's still fighting back. Oh!
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao. The arsenal.
Is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Fasang. Manny Pacquiao is mowing Fasang 3K battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection and going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his. He goes to the body grabbing variety. Kinito.
You have to give it to Fasang, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa
10-second warning.
Fasang looks like he's going to survive his second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And end of the second round. And we might. This is the
Second round
knockout
highlights.
score. Kami yung kanan tumama.
Right hand, yes. That was the right hand.
Again, the right to the forehead.
Oh.
Kinito. And that staggered and sent ito pong si Pasong Birang. Pero combination niya, makikita niyo ulit. Yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then, ayun.
Tumama yung left. This is what he's been working at. Yung kanyang kanan. He wants to be a two-fisted fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Barrera. But first, he's got to be able to take care of Fasang 3K battery.
Ito, back dito sa ating round number 3. Manny Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito si Pasong Birang with his right lead. Going up and down. Manny Pacquiao listen with the left. Ito si Pasong Birang. Kinito.
They got rocked that time.
Pero matibay Kinito. Nakikita mo. Nasasalo niya yung mga suntok. Now whether he's able to withstand the punishment.
Oo, Chino, parang pinasusuntok na lang si Manny. But here is Fasang absorbing a lot of punishment.
Tradition of pre-fight, no? Nakangiti. Nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao.
Very loose siya. He was
Yes.
very loose before this fight. Very, very confident. At ito, tinatamaan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. Very slippery din ito si Fasang.
Gusto nila, maturuan ito si Manny Pacquiao ng parang style ni Larry Holmes na yung kanan na jab parang straight na halos.
Exactly. Yan parang nakikita natin. No? Yung jab ni Manny Pacquiao na kanan, parang pa-knockout na din yun eh. So, Manny should not be frustrated na hindi pa niya napapatulog itong kalaban niya, no?
Grabe.
Malayo pa ito. It's a 12-rounder. Pero matibay itong Fasang. He has been able to take out of those punches.
The southpaw stance. No? Ayun, tumama. Si Manny Pacquiao with that left
Overlap.
lead.
Overhand.
Yan ang sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny dahil maraming nagdududa sa kondisyon itong si Manny Pacquiao. But Coach Freddy Rhodes said, I guarantee you, if we have to go 12, we will go 12. Meron lang kung konting ako. Ito na. Under 5 seconds. At hilong-hilo si Pasong Birang.
Yes, he's groggy. He got staggered.
Again, he will be lucky.
He went down. He went down. Yes, tama yun.
Walang fighter to
Kita, yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan. It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Fasang 3K battery.
Saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao kanina, abangan niyo yung kanan ko, and really that right, he is trying to work at that so hard. At dito po, inuulit po namin in preparation for that big one on February 26. He is set to meet Manuel Marquez in a rematch, but he has first to finish off this assignment of his. Round number 3, or round number 4.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Fasang, or robbery. Towards the end of that round, bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was, kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be safe after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung ano gusto niya. Manny has got in his legs but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang defense ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubuo.
Nani, kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang.
Ay,
Again, hindi po uso yan, ano? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now. Ang sabi nga ng mga kanong dito,
Oh, yes! One punch! The left hand!
The left hand.
Left hand!
That left upper kinito.
Parang upper yun!
It's an upper left
Woo!
hand. That nail. This is the third knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Pasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Pasan in this round.
Eto na naman.
naman.
Goodbye.
And that's it.
Dito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan.
Grabe.
Ang kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Ano
At
kailangan
hindi
niya?
malaman ni Pasan kung nasan siya. Hindi niya malaman. Ang Manny Pacquiao is the second of 4 children. Ito, panoorin natin.
Kakinito nung
Kaliwa.
tinago niya ng kanan and then the upper of that left that sent itong Pasong Pirang kissing the canvas.
At ito na naman.
Ito na naman. Grabe, ang ganda kinito. Nakatago
Parang
sa kanan.
uppercut, the cross na hindi mo maintindihan. But it was a left hand that brought Pasan down. Dalawang beses siya bumagsak dito sa ating 4th round. Ito, panurin ulit natin. One of the knockdowns scored here by Manny Pacquiao.
Tingnan mo, pepeke niya ng kanan.
Ito yung kanan.
Tapos ito na, pag nakita niya magtatago sa kanan, uli, ayan, pepeke ng kanan. And look at that left. Ang ganda ng timing kinito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung dalawang paa, umangat. Umangat yung dalawang paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda,
At saka
no?
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung dalawang paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Mamaya ho,
Parang power.
babalikan natin and we will...
Our national hero, our treasure, merciless Manny Pacquiao. To present the